Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot issues with the Facebook app not loading on Android in 2023. In this video, we will provide step-by-step guidance on fixing common problems preventing the Facebook app from opening properly on your Android device. To begin, double-check your internet connection is stable and functioning. Ensure your device is connected to a secure Wi-Fi network or has an active mobile data connection to access software and services. App issues can often be resolved by ensuring a solid network connection. If connectivity appears normal, try clearing the Facebook app's cache and data. Go to your device's settings. Select Apps and Notifications. Find Facebook and tap to open details. Tap Storage and Cache and check Clear Cache and Clear Data to delete app stored information and refresh software. Update the Facebook app itself if clearing data does not resolve load problems. Open the Google Play Store app. Search for Facebook updates and install any available downloads. Updating guarantees you have the latest version installed with security patches, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Restart your Android device completely if app updates do not help the Facebook app start properly. Press and hold the power button until options appear and choose Restart or Reboot to restart the phone from the beginning. As a further troubleshooting step, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications. Find Facebook and tap to open info. Tap Uninstall to delete the app, then reopen the Play Store to search for Facebook and install the most up-to-date update. Double-check for available system updates for your Android OS and install any important security or maintenance updates. Upgrading the underlying Android platform helps ensure compatibility and prevents software conflicts affecting app functionality. Resetting software. Updating programs to the latest versions and ensuring system compatibility should resolve most issues preventing the Facebook app from launching on your Android device. Network issues, software glitches, outdated software or security risks could potentially cause app loading problems. In summary, we have outlined a comprehensive troubleshooting process with guidance on resolving common Facebook load difficulties on Android step by step. By following this approach of checking connectivity, clearing cache, updating apps, restarting the device, reinstalling Facebook, and upgrading Android, you can get Facebook open and running well again. Please feel free to ask any additional questions about improving software performance, managing apps, or securing your digital experience. We are here to provide helpful recommendations on optimizing technology resources.